Have you ever had friends do freaky stuff in front of you, but they tried to be discreet?
I mean, I have.
I've had like 2 instances. I had people over. Everyone was like fell asleep. By the time I wake up, everyone's gone. So it was just me and the girl. And then we ended up kind of like started hooking up and whatnot. And out of nowhere, I just see this like person pop up and like covering their eyes and walk out the
No.
And you just walk out. Me and this person never spoken or said any words to each other.
He actually got up. I would have faked it.
Yeah,
I
I
would've
would
been
be like,
Here's my story about that situation. We just got done partying. This girl went into bed with me. My friend and this other girl went to bed on the top bunk. We were on bunk beds. And this girl really wanted me, but I really didn't want her. So I went, like, I for real, like, passed. I faked. She was over here, like accidentally pushing me, trying to get me to wake up.
Oh
But
my
I was
God.
like, nah. After that, all I hear is laughing and giggling on the top bunk.
That's so
no.
awkward.
And then all of a sudden, I heard a, and I'm like, oh my God.